Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when startup option is missing from Windows 10 settings. So when you open Windows 10 settings and when you go to apps and feature, on the bottom left just below video playback, over here you see startup option. So after updating my Windows 10 to the latest version, the startup option was missing from my Windows 10 settings. So if I open my Windows 10 settings now, so if I go to apps, over here you can see the startup option. Now in order to fix this, the first step is to run sfc and dism command. For this, copy this command. The commands are provided in the video description. So copy it and then open command prompt. So just type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator and then click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here and then hit the enter key and let the scan complete. Now this process will take some time, so let the scan complete. Once this scan is 100% complete, then run the second scan. So copy the second command and then paste it on the command prompt window and then hit the enter key. And once the second scan is complete, restart your computer and then check for the startup option. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and create startup folder. So go to this location. So the location is provided in the video description. Copy it, paste it in the search box and then click on this folder. Now over here, if you don't see this folder, that is startup folder, in that case you can go ahead and make a right click and then click on new and then select folder and go ahead and name it as startup folder. So just type in startup in case if you don't have the startup folder. Now in case I will not be able to make the folder again because I already have this folder. So now in case if you already have startup folder, in that case make a right click, then click on delete, and after this you go ahead and restart your computer, and after the system restart again come back to the same location. So paste the same location over here, open this location and then make a right click and then click on new, then click on folder and then type in startup, and after this again restart your computer and then check if the option is back or not. Now the next step is to update Windows 10 using media creation tool. So in case nothing is working, you can go ahead and update Windows 10 using media creation tool. Now this is what has worked for me, so you can go ahead and copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see media creation tool. So click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run the exe file. Now you will see the accept option, so click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected over here. So click on next and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Let the download complete. Now before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the optional to keep personal files and apps would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and after the installation you can log into your computer and then open Windows 10 settings and then go to apps, and startup option should be back. So if nothing is working, you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using media creation tool. This has worked for me, so it should definitely go ahead and help you to get the option back. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.